In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill down blank cells with repeating data in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with spreadsheets, you know that managing data can get tricky, especially when you have large datasets filled with blanks. Fortunately, Google Sheets offers a few simple solutions to efficiently fill in those gaps with the same repeating data. Let's dive in and make your data handling a breeze. Imagine a situation where you have a specific value in one of your cells and you want that value to continue down the column because you need consistency across those rows. Google Sheets makes it quite intuitive. When you have a value in your current cell, you can simply drag it down to copy it into the subsequent cells. This works wonders, especially if Google can detect a pattern. For example, if your initial entries are data 1 and data 2, Google Sheets understands this sequence. So as you drag the fill handle, it will continue the pattern, automatically filling in data 3, data 4, and so on. But what if you prefer to have just one continuous value repeated down the column without any alteration or progression? There's a straightforward way to achieve this using the copy and paste functions. First, click on the cell with the value you wish to replicate. With it selected, copy the value, either by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or by using the shortcut Command+C on Mac or Ctrl+C on Windows. Next, highlight all the cells in which you want this value to be repeated. This can be a selection of cells just below your original cell or an entire column if needed. Once your target cells are selected, paste the value using Command+V on a Mac or Ctrl+V on Windows. This action will fill the entire selection with the identical value, eliminating the need for manual entry and ensuring consistency. An additional method you may find convenient is using the Ctrl+D shortcut. This is particularly useful when dealing with larger selections of data. Here's how it works. First, make sure the topmost cell, the one whose data you want to replicate, is at the upper left corner of your selection. Select all the cells where you want the value to be repeated. Then hit Ctrl+D and voila! The data from the topmost cell spreads through the entire selection. These straightforward methods offer effective ways to manage and organize your data in Google Sheets, saving you time and effort. Whether you're maintaining consistent data entries or automating repetitive tasks, mastering these techniques will help you become more efficient and organized in handling your spreadsheets. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Happy spreadsheeting!